Good day, my wonderful people. Everyone is saying President Muhammadu Buhari has brought in more of his brothers to take over. They have started again. Oh, that is what everyone is saying. Okay, this is something really serious, and this is what is happening in this country. It's something serious, and that's exactly what's happening in our country. Nowhere is safe again in this country, especially now that insecurity is now something that's too much. Nowhere at all is safe. Nowhere. Okay, so please do not forget to subscribe to this channel so you'll be able to receive more news updates from us. Thank you and God bless you. Amen. Now, concerning this matter of insecurity, Ondo Amotekun intercept 151 suspected terrorists. Yes, that's it. So everyone is saying they have started again. Oh, Buhari has brought in more of his brothers to take over. Everyone is scared. Everyone is scared because no one knows what all these people are up to. No one knows what they are up to at all. And can you imagine 151 people? Hey, they are too much now, coming into the southwest. To do what? Well, thank God for the Amotekun. If not, with the way the terrorists threatened us to do this, do that, to attack, to destroy the southwest the way they destroyed the north, with the way they threatened us, and if we should just fold our arms and do nothing, these people would have their way. Thank God for the Amotekun. If not, because if these people, after they come into the society and they start to destroy it, that's if they are really terrorists, then we are in soup. Now in the north, so many people, they are displaced from their house. They don't have anywhere to stay because of these terrorists. Everyone is scared. Can you imagine? In the night, they will just come to a house and bomb that place. Everyone there would die. So because of that, so many displaced people. There are so much. So that is what they are planning to do in the southwest. Thank God, honestly. And these people in question, when they were interrogated, they don't have a destination. Can you imagine? They don't know where they are going. It's not enough reason to even suspect them the more. No identity card, no relatives in Ondo State. Okay, so why are they coming? Why are they coming to Ondo State? Tell me, what are they doing in Ondo State? And also, remember that it's also in this Ondo State that terrorists attacked their church, that St. Francis Church, where they killed so many people. And it's in the same Ondo State at Owo, where they also killed so many people at the construction site. So it seems this Ondo now is now their main target, because I don't understand. The way they just, like, the movement is not right. And something fishy is going on. And these particular people, when they were intercepted, they were interrogated, they checked everything, they checked the truck, and they saw that they were carrying dangerous charms. Okay, so now check it. They don't have a destination, no ID card, no relatives, they don't have a reason for their journey, and again, they are carrying dangerous charms. What is their mission? And also, they were searched to, and they saw 10 bikes to them. And it's bikes, all these people they are using for their operations. It's bikes. Bikes is very easy for them to use to do whatsoever they want to do and run back inside the bush. It's bikes. So these people, they were intercepted around that Akure, that Shango side in Ondo State. They were arrested by the Amotekun, who were, as usual, they were on their stop and search. They were arrested at about 6:30 a.m. in the morning. as they became suspicious of their movement, they noticed that something is not right. And these people, they are coming from Katsina, Kano, and Jigawa states. So you can imagine all these places where the terrorists have destroyed totally. Katsina, Kano, and Jigawa states, claiming that they picked the invaders in groups heading to the southwest states. So after everything, it was learned that the 151 people that they saw with dangerous charms and 10 bikes, 5 women were there. They were hidden behind rice and beans bags inside trailers. Okay, so that's also another suspicious move. Why were they hiding? Why were they hiding? Okay, so Akogun Adetunji Adeleye, he said, he was one that was saying it, that those suspects, they hid behind bags of rice, and when they were stopped, they were asked, where are you guys going to? Where is your destination? Some said Akure, others said Oshogbo in Osun State. Well, Adetunji Adeleye said that they would be profiled. They would commence profiling on the suspects, and after commencing the investigation and they are not guilty, they will be sent back to their areas. Yes, that's very, very good. Let them just go, I beg. Let them just go. Because if these people are actually terrorists, then it's going to be very, 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 very serious. And again, like their mode of traveling this time around, like their mode is really suspicious, especially in this time that the nation is facing security challenges. So it's actually the right thing to do, especially in Nigeria now. If maybe you are going and then you are stopped and then searched and interrogated, that's just the norm now. That's just something that one would have to accept, following the way Nigeria is now. But with the way all these people are, with the way they came in, their numbers, the charms, the bags they saw, no destination, no ID card, shows that something fishy. Well, I'm glad that the necessary investigations will be carried out so they will know the real motive of these people. That's just it. Alright, so my people, that's it for now. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for your patience. And do not forget to subscribe. And then also remember to turn on your notifications too. So whenever any news updates drops, you'll be able to receive it. Thank you so much and bye for now.